In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Microsoft account's privacy and security through a few important steps. It's essential to protect your personal data and maintain control over your digital environment, so let's dive into this crucial topic. First, we're going to review Microsoft's privacy policies. It's always a good idea to understand how your data is being collected, used, and protected. Open your browser and navigate to Microsoft's privacy page. As you read through, pay attention to the sections detailing data sharing with third-party services and data retention policies. This will give you insight into how your personal information is handled, allowing you to make informed decisions about your account settings. Remember, understanding these policies empowers you to take control of your privacy. Next, let's adjust the Copilot data sharing settings. Copilot is a helpful tool that aids in enhancing productivity, but it's important to ensure it's configured to align with your privacy preferences. To do this, head over to the settings of your Microsoft account. Once there, locate the section dedicated to Copilot or related data sharing features. You can modify what type of data is shared, keeping only essential information you're comfortable with. Adjusting these settings can help mitigate unnecessary data sharing and keep your activities more private. Moving on to security, one of the most effective ways to protect your account is to use multi-factor authentication. This added layer of security requires more than just your password to log in, making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Go to the security settings of your Microsoft account and enable multi-factor authentication if it's not turned on already. You'll be prompted to set up an additional verification method, such as a text or app-based code. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the steps to complete the setup. This ensures that even if someone else knows your password, they'll need the second factor to access your account. Finally, it's crucial to regularly audit connected apps and permissions. Over time, we tend to grant many applications access to our accounts, and not all of them remain necessary or trustworthy. Visit the section of your Microsoft account that lists third-party apps and their permissions. Carefully review each app's access level and identify those you no longer need. Revoke permissions for any application you don't recognize or use anymore. Regular audits like these provide an added layer of security, keeping your account safe from potential breaches. By following these steps,